Hey there, Chris Murray Coast here, and are you stuck in a never-ending cycle of one-off lessons? Students who just buy one lesson or one small package of lessons, and then they never buy from you again. It can be a terrible, terrible cycle to be stuck in, and you probably know what I mean if you're a teacher and you have students online or if you sell an online course, because people come and people go, and a lot of times they don't even get their problem solved. The people who buy short packages, one-off lessons, they aren't really solving a big problem with you. And that's why the price that they pay for not solving that big problem is very low. It's very small because the thing that we've promised them is small. We've targeted a very small result that we're going to get for them. And that's why they don't think it's worth time, and probably they don't think it's worth money. They probably aren't paying a very high price if they just come once and then they never come back. And the way to get around this, the way to solve this problem and to get out of this never-ending cycle is to package your knowledge into a signature program. And that's what we do at teachingrevolution.com. We help great people package their knowledge and their expertise into a signature program that helps to solve a serious problem, a big problem, a valuable problem. Because it doesn't make sense to spend your time chasing small problems, solving small problems. We want to target the biggest problems, and that will allow us to charge a bigger price tag, and it will allow us to work with bigger and better clients. So if you feel like you're stuck right now and you have a few clients here and there, or maybe you haven't even gotten those first clients yet, and you're trying to find a more systematic, a more reliable, repeatable way for you to have your teaching business, for you to do what you love and work with clients to get great results for them. If that's the problem that you're facing right now, click the link under this video because I've made a free training that will show you how you can solve this problem and how you can grow your own teaching business. So I look forward to seeing you at that training. Just click the link and I will see you there. Bye-bye.